Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John.
Hi, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. Let's see what's inside. It's a train. It's an engine. Engine 6. Do you know who Engine 6 is? Percy. It's Percy. Let's open up our Thomas and Friends sticker book treasury. To this page called Tune-Up Time. Thanks to Victor and Kevin at the Sodor Steamworks, Thomas and Percy are in tip-top shape. Place your stickers over the blank spots. Oh, great! So we just got Percy, and here's Percy right here. Great. Thanks, Pocky. You knew just what we were going to do today, didn't you? Okay, so we have all of these different stickers that we're going to try to fit onto this page. Let's start with Thomas. It looks like Victor helped Thomas. Okay, so this is a sticker that is Thomas's face. Let's put this right here where it goes. Make sure we line it up. There we go. Okay, where else do we need to put some stickers? Oh, here's a light right here. Does that look like it goes there? I think it does. Okay, that fits right there. Nice. Okay, we also have this little part right here that has the number 1 on it. There it is. Let's put it where it goes. That looks way better. Okay, so we have this buffer right here. What color is that going to be? It's probably going to be red with the black, the knob of it being black. And that's what we have here. So let's put this on. That looks pretty good. And the last piece on Thomas is his wheels. Do you know what color his wheels are? They're blue. That's going to look really nice. There. It looks brand new. Thanks, Victor. And thank you for your help. Now let's go over to Percy's picture. We'll put Percy right here so you can see. Okay, so let's start with Percy's face. There's his face. There we go. And there's a round circle right there that's going to be a golden O. Okay. Oh, and there's something here. That part of it is the whistle. There we go. Let's see, what else do we have here? I see a spot right here that looks like it's missing. You know what color that is? Green. Okay. Wow, that looks way better. Now we have this last part right here so that Percy can tow things. There it is. There. Now Percy looks good as new. What do you think, little teeny Percy? I think he's happy. Well, that was fun. Now both of these... Oh, thank you, Kevin. And thank you for helping us put together Thomas and Percy.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.